Hello everyone, we have here comparison of fractions. Which one is larger, 11 over 10 or 13 over 12? Most of you guys might guess that 13 over 12 is greater than 11 over 10. Is that the reason why? Because all the numbers over here, the numerator and the denominator are larger compared with 11 over 10. If you think so, then we'll find out. All right. And here we're trying to figure out which fraction is larger without using our calculator. All right. So let's start doing it. So first method to determine if the other one is larger than the other is that on the denominator 10 and 12 we can make the denominator the same. It's like looking for the least common denominator for both fraction. Or let's say in here, to make the denominator common is we have to multiply this 10 by 12 and we multiply 12 by 10. So let's do that. So in here now, 11 over 10 and the right hand side 13 over 12. All right, considering the left hand side, multiply the denominator with 12. So multiplying 12. Since we're multiplying 12 the denominator, we should multiply the numerator the same way, 12 with 12. All right, so it won't alter the value of the fraction. In doing that, on the right hand side we'll be multiplying this with 10. So multiplying with 10 over 10. So since 10 over 10 is equivalent to 1, likewise on here 12 divided by 12 is 1. So it won't alter the value of the fraction. So in here now, multiply 12 to 11, likewise 12 to 10. So 12 times 11, so this is 132. And the denominator, 12 times 10, that is 120. And on the right hand side, 13 times 10, that is 130. And the denominator, 12 times 10, is 120. Now, if we take a look on the left-hand side, 132 over 120. The right-hand side, 130 over 120. Denominators are the same, 120. The numerator, this one is larger, 132 versus 130. So from here then, we can tell that 11 over 10 is larger. So this is our answer. 11 over 10 is the larger fraction. Another way to figure out which one is larger is we have to set both fractions into mixed number. What does it mean by that? Mixed number. That means mixed number is a composition of one whole number and a fraction. Let's start from here. 11 over 10. So this converted to a mixed number, or we call mixed fraction. So if we divide 11 divided by 10, that is 1. And the remainder will be 1 over 10. And the other one, 13 over 12, is that if we divide 13 by 12, we have one whole number, and then the fractional part will be 1 over 12. So from here, these have both the same one whole number, and the fractional part 1/10, and this is 1/12. So from here we can tell that the lesser value of the denominator, the bigger the number. And since in here the denominator is larger than the denominator of 11 over 10, so this means this number 13 over 12 is lower, and 11 over 10 is larger. So from here now we can tell that 11 over 10 is larger than 13 over 12. And a third way in figuring out which fraction is larger is derived from the first method over here, where we cross multiply the numerator 12 times 11 and in here 13 times 10. So in this sense actually, so these are cross multiplied. if you notice that, in here, 13 times 10, 13 times 10. And in here, 11 times 12. This is 11 times 12. Thereby, we have a result of the numerator that is larger, 132, the first one. And then if we cross multiply that, 10 and 13 together, it will yield 130. So from there, you can tell that 132 is larger than 130. And 132 is actually divided by 120, and this is from the fraction 11 over 10. All right, so this from here, cross multiplying 13 and 10 and 12 and 11, here we got the answer. Here the product of 11 and 12 is 132. And the other side, the product of 10 and 13 is 130. So this one is larger. That is 11 over 10 is the larger fraction. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel and for those who have not done it so, thank you very much. If you can hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.